belly pad. Improve prostate health. Twenty times each leg, one set, 3 sets a day. Relieve neck and shoulder pain. Relieve upper back pain. Times each side. Calf kick. Improve varicose veins. Improve blood circulation to your feet and warm them up quickly. 100 times each side. If you feel pain in your arms, your heart and lung meridians are blocked. When one day no pain, heart and lung function improve. 100 times a day. If you have trouble falling asleep, hold with your breath 6 seconds. Try 3 to 6 times when you are ready to fall asleep. Open up blockage of coronary arteries. Vibrations in the arms improve blood circulation to the heart. Seconds, one time, 3 to 6 times a day. Cervical lymph and thyroid maintenance. Improve blood circulation and prevent functional decline. 3 minutes a day. Improve tinnitus and hearing loss. If you have pain around your shoulder blades, your elbows close together, then draw the largest circle with your elbows. circles each side. Massage large intestine meridians to improve constipation. "49 times each side." If you have poor circulation in your extremities, press Yangichi point for 3 to 5 minutes every day. It increases blood flow from the chest and abdominal to the extremities. "1 minute to improve visual fatigue." It's best to close your eyes. Crane walk 20 steps a day. Work on your leg balance and stability.